Okay, it's Monday, September 30th, 2024. It's about 8:39 a.m. Eastern. It is also the last trading day of the month of September. Let's go right to my account. $296 total account value. I also have that same amount here to trade with. This is exactly where I was last Thursday at end of day. I did not trade last Friday. There was just nothing that fit my criteria at all. So you never want to force a trade. You never want to chase anything. Sometimes no trade is the best trade. So nothing gained, nothing lost. I will pause and be back when the market opens. Watching DUO, just broke a high of day and big moves there. I have a order ready for 120 shares if I decide to get into this. High of day now is 232. We're going to take a position. We are in at 227. High of day is 232. I'm going to set this for, 240 just to put it somewhere. We'll see if this move up can continue. It's been a very slow morning here. 237. I'm going to set this for 238 and we are out. Let's go take a look at my account. Okay, ended up $15.57 on that quick trade. That is a plus 5.25% gain. I will never turn that down. DUO, I traded twice last week in the same morning and did fairly well on both trades. So kind of rare I got to hit it a third time in less than a week. I was only in this trade about 20 seconds, as you can see right here. So good way to end the month. This is the last trading day of September, and I want to mention I will be doing a month-end recap for this month, full transparency, showing my profits, my losses, how I ended up for the month. So be watching that for the next day or two to come out. So let's hit this thing again tomorrow, and thanks a lot for stopping by.